The European landscape for AI presents a multifaceted and competitive environment, where the United Kingdom, France, and Germany each carve out their distinct roles. The UK champions safety and ethical research with initiatives like the AI Safety Institute, while France invests heavily in infrastructure and talent development to foster its nascent AI ecosystem. Germany, with its industrial strength, focuses on practical AI applications that enhance manufacturing and automation. As each country navigates its path, the overarching aim remains the same: to emerge as a leader in the global AI arena by 2025. While the UK emphasizes safety and ethical research, a growing concern among analysts is the potential for unintended consequences stemming from its copyright law revisions. Advocates for creativity worry that these changes, aimed at boosting industry and innovation, might diminish the rights of artists and content creators, creating a chilling effect on original works. In contrast, France's approach with significant monetary commitments shows a deliberate effort to create a vibrant and diverse AI ecosystem, balancing ambition with sustainability. Meanwhile, Germany's strategic collaboration in establishing AI data processing centers signals a commitment to not only enhance AI capabilities but also to ensure European autonomy in technological advancements. Collectively, these developments highlight the intricacies and evolving dynamics within the European AI landscape. The future of AI in Europe stands at a pivotal crossroads, where the decisions made today will shape the landscape for years to come. With the potential for groundbreaking innovations and ethical dilemmas surfacing simultaneously, the key will lie in maintaining a balance between competitive ambition and collaborative spirit. Addressing both the challenges and opportunities will be paramount as Europe strives not only to lead in technological advancements but also to safeguard its cultural values and ethical frameworks. The journey continues, and the world watches closely, as each nation plays its part in this unfolding narrative. The UK's commitment to AI safety has prompted a wave of international interest, attracting researchers and companies eager to align with its ethical vision. This growing collaboration among nations highlights the importance of establishing a united front in addressing the rapidly evolving challenges inherent in the AI landscape. Such partnerships can lead not only to cutting-edge innovations but also to a greater emphasis on responsible development practices. Ultimately, the direction each country takes will influence Europe's ability to shape global AI norms and standards. As the competition heats up, the interplay between ambition and ethics will be crucial for sustainable advancement. As Europe strategizes its position in the global AI landscape, the collaboration among its nations becomes increasingly vital. While the UK seeks to set safety standards, France's ambitious funding plans and Germany's practical implementations collectively paint a promising future for the continent. The interplay of these divergent yet complementary approaches will define Europe's trajectory in AI development, enabling it to navigate the complexities of technological progress while upholding its cherished ethical standards. In this competitive arena, the harmonization of efforts will not only bolster innovation but also foster a robust environment where all players can thrive and lead responsibly. Whether the UK, France, or Germany ultimately emerges at the forefront, one thing is clear: a united Europe has the potential to shape the future of AI on a global scale. As the nations strive for prominence in this high-stakes race, the potential consequences of their respective strategies reverberate beyond borders. National policies will have lasting impacts on their global influence, shaping the narrative of AI development not just within Europe but worldwide. A united approach could significantly enhance the standards and ethics surrounding AI, ensuring that technological advancements align with human values and societal needs. With each country bringing its unique strengths, the collaborative efforts may pave the way for groundbreaking innovations that redefine the AI landscape for generations to come. Ultimately, the challenge will be to harmonize these varied ambitions into a coherent vision, demonstrating that, together, Europe can indeed lead the charge in responsible AI innovation. The UK, leveraging its reputation for ethical AI development, seeks to not only lead in innovation but also address the broader implications of its strategies. With safety at the forefront, it sets a blueprint for responsible governance that resonates globally. However, as France pushes for rapid advancement with bold financial commitments, the question remains whether these investments will yield the necessary talent and infrastructure to sustain long-term growth. Meanwhile, Germany's focus on integrating AI into traditional industries showcases its commitment to ensuring stability, even as technological landscapes change swiftly. Each country must navigate these challenges while maintaining a keen eye on collaboration and ethical considerations in their pursuit of AI leadership. As the intensity of competition rises, nations across Europe are beginning to recognize the value of shared experiences and collaborative initiatives. Linking research institutions and technology companies together will not only enhance innovation but foster an environment where ethical standards are prioritized. In this rapidly evolving field, the ability to learn from one another's successes and failures becomes an invaluable asset, forging connections that can lead to sustainable growth and responsible AI deployment across the continent. The emphasis on cooperation highlights a collective understanding that the future of AI, while competitive, ultimately supports the overarching goal of societal enrichment and advancement. As the countdown to 2025 continues, analysts and policymakers emphasize the urgency for these nations to align on shared goals, addressing the balance between competitive spirit and ethical responsibility. Each country, with its unique strategy, plays a crucial role in shaping a cohesive European approach to AI. By fostering dialogue and collaboration, the nations involved can not only safeguard their interests but also enhance their collective leverage on the international stage. Only through unity can they create a future where technology serves humanity responsibly, ensuring that AI advancements contribute positively across borders. In this intricate landscape, France's bold investments reflect a deep commitment to becoming a leader in the AI revolution, fostering innovation, and attracting top talent. France's proactive investments signal a determined shift toward becoming a key hub for AI innovation, prioritizing talent attraction and technological advancement. As Europe unites its strengths and strategies, the potential for collaborative growth in AI innovation shines brightly. Together, by tackling challenges and amplifying each nation's unique contributions, a new chapter in technological leadership unfolds, promising to shape a future that prioritizes both progress and ethical integrity.